everybody, another unboxing today. Today we are unboxing the Rode NTG-3 shotgun microphone, a very interesting and exciting shotgun microphone. So let's just pop open the box and see what's inside. So we have a pouch here, we'll get to the goodies later. Put this aside. Inside we can see a mic clip for the NTG-3, plastic mic clip with metal thread adapters, and we have a little package here. So it is heat sealed. So anyway, we can see there's a sort of a replacement part, some rubbery ring inside, a I Love Rode microphone sticker, and the Rode instruction manual and the 10-year limited warranty terms and conditions. So this away. We have a Rode fake leather case. Open this up. Inside, you can see a foam windshield. And we have the NTG-3 in the aluminum aluminum. Is that what they say it? They say it's aluminium. In the aluminium tube casing. Now it's really heavy and solid actually. So I think you can open it on both sides. You can totally whack someone to death with this. Alright. And we have the shotgun mic inside. Let's pull it up. It's quite stiff to pull out actually. And there we have the NTG-3 shotgun microphone. So there we have it, the unboxing of the Rode NTG-3. Alright, so we're now going to do a quick audio test for the Rode NTG-3. So I have the Rode NTG-3 right here, boomed above my head, just over a feet above my mouth. So this is typically the standard way a shotgun mic like this would be used, just boomed above the subject's head. So hopefully it's sounding pretty good. Now you're listening to the Rode NTG-3 plugged into my Zoom H6. Now this audio is unedited, so I haven't done any EQ, no compression, no nothing. So this is how the Rode NTG-3 sounds like. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.